If you're noticing cracks in your walls or doors and windows that just won't shut right, chances are your foundation might be yelling for some help. Okay, so first off, keep an eye on any cracks that look like they're spreading or getting wider over time. Those are a big red flag your foundation is shifting. Next, check if your floors feel uneven or if you're spotting any sagging spots, because that's another classic sign. Doors and windows that suddenly stick or won't close properly? Yep, that can mean your foundation is moving and messing with the frames. Also, look for gaps around window frames or baseboards pulling away from walls. That's your house telling you it's not sitting right. If you notice sloping floors when you walk around, it's worth calling a pro to get it checked out. Don't ignore sudden cracks in drywall or plaster, especially near doorways or windows. Sometimes your foundation issues start small but can get way worse if you don't catch them early. The best move? Take photos regularly and compare, so you can spot changes and show them to a specialist. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with foundation repair signs is ignoring small cracks, thinking they're no big deal. This can lead to costly fixes later. Another problem is trying to fix the visible damage like cracks or sticking doors without addressing the foundation itself, which just means the issues come back. Lastly, not hiring qualified foundation repair contractors who understand local soil and weather conditions can lead to shoddy work that won't last. Always check reviews and credentials before committing. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid place to find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff when it comes to foundation, repair, and all kinds of home projects. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners who need reliable help, making the whole process way less stressful for everyone involved.